Want to make your earring products more visually appealing? Let the SellerPick AI tool help you. From customizing exclusive wearing models to generating dynamic product videos, it handles the entire process in one stop. First, after entering the tool, there are 3 ways to upload earring product images. Avoid uploading paired earrings together or obstructed handheld ones. Choose full front, clear, background-free images. You can first select from the platform's existing model library. Not only can you choose the model style, but also the model skin tone according to your needs, to match the aesthetics of different target audiences. At the same time, a variety of image ratios and model skin tones are available. After selecting a basic model, if you want to check the details, click the comparison function to clearly compare the compatibility between the earrings and the earlobes, the coordination between the length of the drop earrings and the neckline, etc. to ensure the visual effect meets the standards. If you are satisfied with the generated effect, you can click to download directly. If there are any issues, you can click the triangle icon in the upper right corner to submit feedback and suggestions. What's more practical is that after generating the wearing images, you can directly click the bottom right corner on the current page to use the Generate Video from Wearing Images function. You can use existing templates, such as touching the drop earrings gently, turning the head to show the side view of the earrings, etc. Let's take a look at the results showcase. The movements of the characters in the video are very smooth and realistic. Plus, you can click Custom. There are multiple models available for selection. After making your choice, you can describe the model movements you want. If you don't know how to describe them, don't worry. Click the magic wand in the bottom right corner, and it can help you generate the description automatically. You can also choose the video style, such as high-end luxury advertising style, daily vlog style, etc., and the generated video duration. Once the video is generated, you can click to download it, and there are 3 download formats to choose from. The finished product can be obtained in just a few minutes, with smooth and clear images. It can make your earrings more eye-catching when used for e-commerce detail pages or social media promotion. With SellerPick, you can easily complete the entire process of earring promotion. Now log into www.sellerpick.ai and start your efficient earring promotion journey.